This is Beth with the McGirt-Horton Branch Library. I have all this notebook paper lying around, and I'm going to make some origami throwing stars. And when I'm done, I will have something for target practice. Just never at people. Don't ever throw anything at people.
First, you start with 2 pieces of paper. Take the top left corner and pull down to the bottom right side to make a triangle, leaving some paper at the bottom. Do the same thing to the right side, but the opposite. Take the top right down to the left-hand side. Cut off the rectangle that's left at the bottom so that you're left with just a triangle. Do the same thing to your other piece of paper. When you open the papers, you'll have 2 squares. Take the top edge of your square and pull down to the bottom edge, making a nice fold right there in the middle. Be sure to crease it. Do the same thing with your other piece of paper. Strong, sharp creases are really important in paper folding. Unfold, take the top edge and pull it down to the middle crease. Take the bottom edge and pull it up to the middle crease. And then take that rectangle and fold it again. You'll want to do the same thing to right-hand side. Take the top edge, fold down to the middle crease. Take the bottom edge and pull it up to the middle crease. And then take that and fold it over. Fold the left narrow edge over to the right-hand side, make a crease. Take the right of the right paper and fold it over to the left and make a crease. Unfold, take that left edge and pull up so that it lines up with the middle crease, and do the same thing with the right-hand side. Pull that. You can see what that looks like. Pull that left-hand corner down to the right and pull the right side up so you can see what shape that's making. So take both of these shapes and turn them over. You still want them to look opposite from each other. Take the top right corner of your creation and create a triangle by pulling it down left. Take the bottom left and pull it up right. And here on the other one, we're going to do the same thing, just opposite. So take that left-hand corner, fold it down into a triangle, and take the right bottom corner and fold it into a triangle. So there you have 2 new shapes. Pull the bottom right corner and pull up left, just like that. Take the top left corner and pull it down to the right. Here you have a parallelogram. Do the same thing on the other side, so that now we have 2 parallelograms. So unfold your parallelograms and then turn the right-hand one over. So take that, put that on top of the left paper, fold one corner into a little pocket. We're putting the star together right now, and then take that opposite corner and poke it into that pocket. That's what it looks like. Turn it over. Take one of the corners could be either one. Take that corner and slide it into that flap there. Now we have one more corner to tuck in to put it all together. And there we have it. Maybe kind of just really crease those sides, the better it is. And there is Origami Throwing Star. Don't forget, the Greensboro Public Library is open online all day, every day, with digital homework help and downloadable ebooks, audiobooks, and movies, and more.